Winter is here and with it comes colder weather, cough, colds and the flu season. Plus for some of us winter weight gain. It's an important time to make sure you stay on top of your diet and keep yourself well nourished. Staying healthy in winter is important. Eating well can help boost your immune system, making you less likely to get sick. Even if you do get sick, good nutrition can help you recover faster. While winter might make it harder to eat healthy, there are still ways to do it. Even though there might be fewer fresh fruits and vegetables, you can still find healthy options. In today's video, we are sharing 10 practical tips to help you eat well and stay healthy this winter. Number 1. Start your day with porridge. Creamy porridge with natural yogurt, stewed fruits and nut is the perfect winter breakfast. Add cinnamon to trigger your brain into feeling full so you will eat less during the day. It's also great for getting fiber, zinc, energy boosting, iron, potassium and antioxidant. The secret of remaining energized until lunchtime is taking a healthy slow release breakfast such as porridge. You can be creative with this morning meal by adding toppings such as seeds and nuts. Moreover, some winter fruits such as dates and apples can increase the health benefits of this meal. Number 2. Add fish to your diet. Salmon is full of protein and healthy fats. It's also a great source of vitamin D, which boosts the body ability to absorb calcium for strong bones and teeth. Fish can provide many benefits such as increased energy and mental focus. Fish provides omega-3 fatty acid which can lower bad cholesterol and improve circulation. It's also an excellent source of vitamin D which play an important role in your body. Number 3. Eat more seeds and nuts. Walnuts, sunflower seed, flaxseed, pumpkin seed, chia seed are all high in omega-3 essential fats that boost heart health and protect the body against inflammation which is linked to many chronic diseases. They are also a good source of magnesium which is essential for a healthy immune system. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of magnesium and essential minerals that many of us are lacking. They also contain tons of protein. Nuts and seeds provide fiber, zinc, iron, vitamin E, calcium and magnesium are great for your heart health. Number 4. Protein from pulses. Dried beans, peas and lentil are some of the best source of plant-based protein around. They are full of fiber, antioxidant, vitamin and minerals. Plus they soak up flavor so they are taste great in curries and soup. Number 5. Salads and healthy snacks. Eating a rainbow of fruits and veggies will help protect your body against illness, reduce inflammation, boost energy level, regulate digestion and keep blood sugar stable. Have a big salad every lunchtime with breadsticks or rice crackers for extra fiber. Add seeds, nuts, beans and cheese for protein. Number 6. Fruits and veggies. Rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C fights against inflammation, support the immune system and protect yourself from damage. Some of the best sources are kiwi, bell pepper, broccoli, tomatoes, strawberries, orange, lemon and papaya. Number 7. Zinc rich foods like spinach. Zinc can be found in many types of food, but spinach is a particularly good source. It can boost testosterone level and sperm health, which is perfect for men trying to conceive. Spinach is full of fiber, zinc and vitamin C and A. This powerhouse veggie can protect against cancer, reduce inflammation, improve eye health, aid digestion and boost immunity. Other good sources are almond, sesame seeds, pumpkin seed, beef sticks and chicken breast. Number 8. Make use of herbs. When the winter months set in, it's time to snuggle up with some warming soups and hearty dishes. Try adding turmeric, garlic, chili pepper and other hot herbs to your meals. They all have anti-inflammatory properties which can help fend off colds and the flu. Number 9. Soups and stew. Winter is the perfect time for classic comfort food like chicken, noodle soup and herb stew. Chicken soup contains tryptophan which elevate mood and help you relax. Add a handful of spinach for extra nutrients. You should get recipes that include water as the base veggies and a lot of vegetables. A hot bowl of soup with chicken broth and some vegetables will leave rejuvenated. You can pair your soup with whole grain crackers. Number 10. Ginger. Ginger is a good for nausea relief, reducing inflammation and improve circulation. Plus, it can help fight the common cold and flu, which is always a plus during the winter. Remember to also stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Enjoy warm, comforting meals and focus on nutrient dense food to help support your immune system during the winter season.